Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be turning off the maintenance required light on the really awesome Lexus RX350. There it is in the corner over here. A couple reasons why this light is on. It comes on when your vehicle mileage triggers certain odometer intervals for oil changes, things like that. The other reason that it is on is if the vehicle was in for repair, the work has been done, and the technician forgot to turn the light off, which is the experience that we're looking at right here on this car. So work's already been done. It's time to turn the light off, and let's figure out how to do that. So you're going to locate the odometer trip button, which is actually right below. So right there, you can see it. I'll zoom out a little bit. So there's your instruments, and there's the odometer trip button, which we're going to be holding while we turn the key off and on. And so let's do that right now. So we found the odometer trip button, and I'm going to shut the car off first. I'm going to hold the button, and then I'm going to turn the key to the on position without starting the car, and that is what is going to reset it. So let's do that right now. Okay, car is off. I'm now holding the odometer button. Turn my lights off. Holding the odometer button, got the key in, and I'm going to turn it to the on position. And notice how the odometer flashes some dashes and then goes to all zeros and back to the mileage. And then I simply release the button. And as you can see, the light is off. Okay? So now when I turn the key, the light comes on temporarily, which tells you that it's working, and then it goes off. Start the car, and it's off. So we are good to go. So that is how you turn off the light, the maintenance required light in the Lexus RX350. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.